On September 15th, the Huanbei Guangxi No. 8 shield tunneling, hard rock shield TBM, was successfully launched, officially commencing its challenging task of tunneling 3,028 meters in a single pass for the surrounding Beibu Gulf Guangxi Water Resource Allocation Project, Daitianmian Tunnel. This tunnel is a critical control project for the entire line, with highly complex geological conditions. The shield TBM must traverse a grade I fault zone at a large angle, with 6 secondary faults distributed along its path. Approximately 30% of the geology consists of hard rock and tough rocks with high quartz content, which increases where on the cutter head. Additionally, the underground water pressure peak reaches 0.72 megapascals, and water-rich fault zones may lead to water ingress risks. The tunnel adopts segmental lining with a design inner diameter of just 2.3 meters and a width of 1.2 meters, making it a micro-shield tunneling project with extremely limited construction space. In response to these challenges, Tongxing Technology, in collaboration with other participating units, carried out specialized design for the shield TBM. The Huanbei Guangxi No. 8 shield tunneling has a tunneling diameter of 3.1 meters, a total length of 204 meters, and the cutter head is equipped with heavy-duty rock-breaking tools and an integrated worm monitoring system to track tool status in real time. It is also equipped with an advanced geological prediction system to identify adverse strata in advance. The main unit features an intelligent slurry circulation monitoring system, a combined high-pressure sealing technology, and an innovative hydraulic three-dimensional space segment hoisting system to improve construction efficiency and safety. The surrounding Beibu Gulf Guangxi Water Resource Allocation Project is the main backbone and artery of the Guangxi Water Network. Once completed, it will benefit nearly 14 million people and provide a solid water resource foundation for the region's high-quality economic and social development.